Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Top K. Today in this video I will tell you 8 incredible health benefits of apple that you may not have known. Before starting the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. They are delicious, they are nutritious, and a handful may even help keep doctor away. The season of apples is here and we can't wait to have our fill of these juicy and crunchy wonders. Whether you have them as a stand-alone snack in the middle of a work-filled day or as part of salads, smoothies, pies or desserts, apples rarely disappoint. Furthermore, the extensive list of the health benefits that apples offer is hard to ignore. High in pectin fiber, apples boost metabolic levels, help improve heart health and regulate body's blood sugar levels by regulating the release of sugar. They are also packed with vitamin and minerals that promote healthy bones, teeth and skin. Apples are loaded with vitamin C that boosts immunity, keeping any ailment at bay. They also consist of healthy polyphenol antioxidants that are essential for overall health. In fact, according to a study published in the journal Planta Medica, animal studies have shown apples and apple juice to be effective in reducing the risk of colon, skin and breast cancers. Here are some more benefits of eating apples that will convince you to pick one today. Number 1. Good for diabetics and blood sugar regulation. According to the book, Healing Foods, by DK Publishing, the fructose, a class of sugar, and antioxidant polyphenols in apples improve the metabolic balance and slow the rate at which sugar is absorbed in the body. This property of apples is especially effective for diabetics, who have to keep their blood sugar spike in check. Experts have also suggested that apples lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes because of a class of antioxidants called anthocyanin, that is also responsible for red, purple and blue colors in fruits and veggies. Number 2. Aids weight loss. Pectin fiber helps lower the body's absorption of excess dietary fats. The rich quantum of fiber found in apples also helps you feeling full for longer. Number 3. Enables smoother digestion. A number of health benefits of apples are derived from the wonder fiber pectin it contains. This soluble fiber works wonders for your digestion. Pectin, a form of soluble fiber, draws water from your digestive tract and forms a gel, helping to slow digestion and pushing stool through your intestines. Apples also contain malic acid, which is again a useful digestive aid. Number 4. Helps relieve constipation and diarrhea. The high concentration of pectin fiber not only aids digestion but also regulates smoother bowel movements. According to the book, Healing Foods, pectin has an amphoteric action. Paradoxically, it can prove relief from both constipation and diarrhea depending on body's needs. Number 5. Protecting bones. Apples are also effective in strengthening bones and can play a crucial part in overall bone health. A certain flavonoid fluorizin, found in apple skin, may help prevent bone loss associated with menopause, as it fights the inflammation and free radical production that leads to bone degeneration. Number 6. Reduces cholesterol. Pectin fiber and other constituents, such as antioxidant polyphenols, have been linked to reducing the levels of unhealthy LDL cholesterol and slow down its oxidation. This further helps reduce the risk of hardening of arteries, damaging heart muscles and blood vessels. Number 7. Boost brain power. Apples have also been linked to enhancing brain power. Apples up the acetylcholine production, which helps build a stronger communication between nerve cells and brain that further improve your memory and lower your chances of developing Alzheimer's. This benefit stands true in case of homemade apple juice without any additives, and not in case of store-bought juices. 8. For a brighter smile and stronger gums. Apples are a great source of water and fiber that act as cleansing agents. It contains malic acid that boosts saliva production, hence removing bacteria from the mouth. They are also packed with vitamin and minerals that promote healthy teeth. The fibrous texture of apples also helps improving the health of your gums. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video.